Naiiyak ako. Charot. Wala lang kasi yung siguro baka iba yung expectation niya sa mga napapanood niya. Come on, let's go.
Wow! Dinosaur!
What's that? What?
Wow, look at the T-Rex!
Are you happy? Did you see dinosaur?
Wow! Look at the T-Rex! It's my favorite. It's my favorite.
What is that?
Whoa! Look at that T-Rex. I will get my T-Rex.
You will get your T-Rex? No, just leave it.
Whoa!
You want to go there?
Whoa! Look at that T-Rex!
Look at that! What is that?
It's a giant T-Rex.
It's a giant?
Yeah, I see T-Rex.
You see T-Rex?
Look.
What is that?
Okay, Papa, dito. See? A frog.
A frog?
Oh, look at that one. Look at that.
Tuwang-tuwa siya mga idol. Naiiyak ako. Charot. Wala lang kasi yung siguro baka iba yung expectation niya sa mga napapanood niya. Kasi yung mga napapanood niya mga idol, gumagalaw kasi yun. Tapos dito ko lang siya nadala.
Hello? Hello, Carol?
Sige na, mag-play ka na be.
Wow, this dinosaur.
Are you happy?
Another one.
Another one.
With the Triceratops. It's my favorite. Look at this baby.
Sige na, maglaro ka na. Maghapon tayo dito na. Mamaya na tayo uwi na. Are you happy?
Dinosaur.
Are you happy? Sige lang, mag-enjoy ka lang, bebe. Makapunta din tayo sa totoong Dino Land. Yes. Shoutout nga pala sa sa buong pamunuan ng Robertsville dahil meron silang ganitong facility, yung parang plaza na which is open siya, pwede siyang puntahan ng kahit hindi taga Robertsville. Ayun tuwang-tuwa yung anak ko.
Daddy, come on.
Oh, come on. Yes. What is that?
It is a Triceratops. My favorite.
Triceratops?
Yeah, it's my favorite.
It's your favorite?
Yeah. I see the guy moving. Still moving.
Oh, it's not moving. I'm so sorry, baby. Punta na lang tayo doon sa pag may pera na, no?
A slide dinosaur?
Yes. A slide dinosaur.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A dinosaur.
Yes.
Okay. Dinosaur.
Dami dinosaur. Sige, mag-enjoy ka lang, baby. Bili tayo ng merienda doon, no? Mayroon ding doon, yung bilihan ng mga merienda. Diyan pala mga idol, yan Robertsville. Yan, nagdi-deliver ako diyan. Yan doon din sa kabila, sa townhouse. Tsaka Sitio Tarikan yung na-vlog ko na dati. Ayun, maraming salamat sa panonood mga idol. Mag-i-enjoy muna yung anak ko.
Wow, this is amazing.
Look at that. This is amazing.
Yeah.